Hello everyone. Today we talk about the Cardano ADA ETF Pump 90% in a week, and the plan is 34x Pump ETF potential. And where is the data is coming from? You can see that in here, it is this 34x. So you can see the ETF is a fly from the bottom in here, and until this one in the Cardano ETF, I'm using the ADA up USDT in the Binance, but you can use your own. But what I'm telling you that this is the 34x. So from the bottom in here, the crash that happening this week, but we have the weekly close in here, and so far we already increased almost to 100% in here, and then the plan is the 34x. And if you want to see about the potential, you can see that this week we have the bullish engulfing so far. So this is the bullish engulfing. That's why we still have around 7 hours to go, but so far we have the bullish engulfing that happening to the Cardano. And if you want to see about the Cardano ETF divided by the Cardano USD, so in here ADA up USDT divided by ADA up ADA USD, and then you can see the result that in the bull run in the 2020, you see that when the Cardano increase, let's say 2x, then in the ETF you multiply it by 3x because it's incremental 300%. And if you draw this line like this one, you draw this line, this red and this red, you can see this is the very big broadening ascending, and you can see that we created double bottom in here. So far we almost created double bottom, but we need to wait the confirmation until the February. But what I'm telling you that we have the potential 4x from the bottom. But if you want to see it from here, so gonna be a 6x. That's why from the bottom we have the 6x. If the Cardano, let's say now is 1.4 and we are aiming to the 10k, so maybe around 7x, 8x in the Cardano USD level, the pump is gonna be, if you want to see here, this is the pump about the 34x. And if you want to see about the Cardano ETF, about the Cardano USD, I mean, in the Ethereum, you see that the Cardano Ethereum, this line is the very strong line. Previously, we had as the support in here, but we got rejected when the crash happening in the 2020. But now you can see that this area is the very strong support, like what happened in the 2018 in here. And then you can see that the bull run hasn't stopped, because if the bull run stopped, it's happening what happened in the 20 and 20 in here, 20 and 19, 20 and 21. Even in December in here, before the bull run in the 2021 in the January, you see that this first green line is the very strong support and now become the strong resistance. But now in the 20 and 22, you see that this green line is the very strong support. So far, we already pumped, and we are expecting almost 2x in here. So almost 2x against the Ethereum. So if the Ethereum is 3x from now, so the Cardano gonna be 6x. And the last is about the Cardano Bitcoin. You can see that the Cardano in here also creating the broadening waist like here, and now we already pump since the December we pump, and our plan we are going to hire maybe 0.0001 in here in the April or maybe May, June, July. I think there is the sudden pump what happened like, oh, in 1 week or 3x 2x, no, but we are expecting that the price is going up steadily, and not going too fast, because if we are going too fast we gonna hit, for example, uh, okay, in here like you see the Cardano USD. If we are pump very fast, maybe we gonna end up in the $6 because we already hit this line. But if we are going to a longer period, let's say we are hit it by July, so instead of we are hitting the $6, we hit this one, gonna $10 because our first plan that no need to hit $8. $8 is the very I think realistic target, but we are aiming to $10 in here. That's why maybe the bullish gonna happen in the Q2 or the Q3, but it's better if you join from the Q1 because maybe in the Q1 the price for the Cardano gonna back to 3 or maybe 2.5 around this price. But in the Q2 we are expecting the very bull run, the very good price increasement. Okay, and the last, don't forget about watching the Cardano ETF in here. Why? Because if Cardano ETF going too fast, maybe you're gonna end up with the 34x. This is the worst scenario, but our big plan, you can see in here. Look this one. Our big plan is we are going from this one going to this one. So maybe in the August or maybe in the July. So we are going to 60x. Imagine 60x happening in the ETF market for the Cardano. Okay, don't forget if you just enter now and maybe you can see some correction. I think it's the normal. But remember, in the next 2 days we have the full moon in the what happened in the 18th January. So we're gonna see what happened in the full moon and don't play in the short term because if you look about the 1 hour candle or 4 hour candle or the daily candles, I think there are so many fake out. That's why you need to see the bigger picture using the weekly candle. Okay, I think that's for today. Don't forget to subscribe and give your thumb like button. Thank you.